Nobu, the very nice shoes. Which one? This one? Or this one?
Try that one again, Te, that black one. Come on. But I like the black one more than the other one, but it's up to you how you choose. Walk around. See? It suits you. Turn around.
So this is Dancing Pilomas. Choosing what shoes do I have?
That's her birthday present thing.
I think this one.
Yeah, that one is nice. I like it.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah, I'm become more taller.
Yeah.
5'6".
Now 6'2".
No, 5'6".
It's nice like it. It suits you.
Okay, please. Is Wendy's giving me a gift. Ayan, no? Ang yaman talaga ng kaibigan ko. So, we are in Nobu. So, if you want to buy shoes, come here in Nobu's. They have a very nice shoes here. Very comfy. Check that out, guys. I don't know. So, dito kami yung shopping. So, guys, naka-shopping na ako ng damit ko. Shopping na. Okay, sa mga buzzer dyan, kung anong ginagawa ko ngayon, ito na naman kasi nagyayabang na naman ako. Pero, hindi ako ang bumili.
Sugar daddy niya bumili, of course.
Sugar mama. So, ito. May order na ako dyan. May order na ako dyan sa Alexander. Ay nako, ang mahal dyan. So, ito yun ang gawa namin, guys. Shopping na lang. Diba ang ganda ng buhay? Kaya, ang mga hindi tira, ganoon din ang gawin nyo. Diba? Tama ba, Wendy?
Yes, inggit lang kayo dyan habang siya masaya sa buhay niya. Walang pakialaman sa buhay, mga besh. Kanya-kanyang trip sa buhay, besh.
Yes.
Para kung mamatay tayo, hindi tayo makanganga, besh. Masaya lang ang buhay, besh.
Kung ako magpo-post ng kung anik-anik man, choice ko yan, di ba? So, ayun.
Laban lang sa life, besh. Lamay kay blouse, besh. Oh. Ang saya ng blouse, besh. Oh. Igat-igat kay besh. Oh. Flex-flex lang, besh. Ang igat-igat, besh.
So, doon na naman tayo sa kain. Kain tayo.
Kain seri, besh.
So, mga busy, mga dancing kalumama. Nandito ngayon after Nobu, after Ali. Nandito na kami naman sa Nando's. Dito kami nakain. So, come inside.
Hi. We're gonna dine in. We're gonna dine in.
Due to manager being injured, we can't take any orders.
Oh.
We have to wait till later till somebody comes in.
How long is that?
I don't know.
Hello, guys. It's injured, guys.
So, okay. We don't have a choice. This one. You want to go to chai or chupu?
I don't know. I don't care as long as we eat. Come on. Ka-beautiful na lang yan ni Madam eh. Nabigaon kay Madam. Oo. Na? Nakikita na yun just mga kalalakihan na.
Yes. You want to be in my YouTube channel?
Come on, you go. Strike. Go, go.
YouTube.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm not that type of woman.
Come on, Cookie. No, Ken is open. Oh yeah, they're closed. I don't know, you want a grill or you want a sushi or you're going inside or what's this one here? They're like a burger. Do you like a burger?
Not really.
Maybe we can say bye for flex lang guys.
Yeah. So we are on the Guzman at the moment.
No, it's only 2 meals. I think that. Oh no. I only think that meals with water.
That's the one there.
That three is the empty one. So 3 meals. And I got margaritas and meal.
And look at that. May ano pa, may ibon pa dito. Yes. Medium is
Hey, what drink you like?
water.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you sure it's hot? Sure water or you want some?
just water.
Okay, just water.
I'm on my diet.
Right.
Guys, the cashier is very handsome. So the cashier is handsome. He's single. Are you single?
I used the wrong one. Sorry.
No, Pandakikax, he doesn't answer. He doesn't answer if he's single. I think he's taken.
Not receipt. No. I don't know.
Thank you so much. Are you single? So, Pandakikax, here's the handsome one. Single?
No.
Single?
No.
What happened? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, because my friend on YouTube, she said that you're handsome.
Okay, thank you.
So she asked if you're single. So Pandakikax is single. He's single. So ito na yung amin.
Free dinner. You go to Nagukon?
She have beef. What do you have?
Pork.
Pork. And this is mine. Ay, sus, may chips pala. Uy, kaya mo yan kainin?
Ay, kung pa nag-inom ko kay Muntiyan, gamay ra ako dako.
Ang dami niyang order, oh.
Di kay first meal, last meal man ako butin.
Okay. Ito na yung aming pagkain.
After shopping, guys.
So, nalimutan kong sabihin sa kanila na walang
Masarap man din. It's nice. Try it like nga. Ang sote. Para mang nakakagat ng itlog. See, sarap, right? You need to speak. See, guys? Parang nakadila ng ano guys to. Tingnan mo magbite guys. Parang guys.
I what is happening. So guys, kakain na lang kami, okay? Please. Si Dancing Pillow Mama na lagala at tingnan nyo guys, ang dami kong nabibili at saka puta at saka
naka Louis Vuitton pa da guys.
So saan na naman kami pupunta guys? Doon sa malaking bahay sa casino para
mag-enjoy
life. Kaya supposed to be aatin ako ng party sa kumpanya. Basta yun, atin sana ako ng party doon. Kaso lang, yung kaibigan kong nurse na si Wendy Lambert, gusto niyang lumabas at gusto niya akong ilabas. Kaya papunta na lang kami ng malaking bahay. Kaya guys, see you sa malaking bahay. Good evening guys. This is Dancing Pillow Mama. Tingnan nyo guys, nagwawala na naman. Guess what? Sinong minimit namin yung aming mga kaibigan na mga magaganda. Galing sila sa ipeplex ko sa inyo guys. My sister Rakas, my partner in crime. Sa Sugalan. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa casino ng Oasis. Ayan. O, tingnan mo yung views. Wala nang gaanong tao ngayon. Mga talo na ng mga tao. And of course, si Ami, ang aking kaibigang Dunya. Ayan. Yung bahay niya ay lalakarin lang. Uy, Ami, maganda sa pwede niyong makipanood ng firecracker sa
Hindi mo makita kasi na-block na yun
na-block na.
Makikita mo lang yung konti lang.
Pero kaya nga. Pero pwede pa rin yun. At least pero at least yung lang makikita pa rin yung ay yung nurse ko umalis na. Ay, oo. Ay, oo nga pala. Dito tayo. Kailangan tayo maaga dito. Ha? Sa ano? Sa 24. Ha?
New Year's Eve.
Ayun, New Year's. Hoy, sa Pasko din, di ba? Ay, hindi. Uy, New Year's Eve. Ay, sus, ano ba si Dancing Pillow Mama? Matanda na talaga. Sabi nga ng anak ko, you're nearly 60, ma'am.
Hindi lang naman, malayo-layo pa yun.
Sabi niya, you're nearly 60, ma'am. You act like your age. Tawa si Amin. Agree ka ba? I feel like a young one. Sabi ko naman kay Jed. Eh, bakit? Mayroon na.
Dapat binigyan siya ng dapat natin.
Oo. Manghihingi pa ako, eh. Eto guys, oh, so may mga libreng tsokolate ngayon. Manghingi ka ng tsokolate, Ami. Uy, hindi tayo pwede. Manghingi na. Ngayon,
Ako hindi pa.
ngayon dumating ang kapatid ko, best friend, partner in crime. Galing ko ng trabaho. Pinuntahan talaga niya ako para
Magulog ang paluwa.
lasing na ako guys. So ngayon ay tapos tingnan mo yung bar. Ayan guys.
Tama na, Wendy.
So guys,
Bye.
diba ang ganda-ganda ng ano sister ko? Sino ba? Sino mas sexy sa amin guys? Ako?
Hindi mo kay Jan ko.
Diba? Tiyan ko. Diba?
Pagkabigaon na lang yun, oy.
Hindi, alisin mo na yan.
Huwag kang diba guys?
Sige na, kasi lasing na yan.
Wendy, para yung mga basa ko sa YouTube.
Tama na, oy. Hi guys, hinahanap namin ang aming car dahil naliligaw kami at natutunaw na ang aming chocolate. Tingnan mo guys, natutunaw ang chocolate. Oh my goodness, ito yung bakotse mo.
No.
Ay, saan ba?
Over there. There.
Ayun guys. Oh, kasi naliligaw kami pero tingnan mo guys. Pati. Aha. See you guys. So guys, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe kay Dancing Pillow Mama, please like, share, subscribe para alam nyo ang susunod na kabanata ni Dancing Pillow Mama. Bye!